Hi guys, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. Welcome to my group. As I promised, I want to quickly give you the trading system that I promised you. This trading system is very simple. Binary option trading doesn't need to be complicated. Okay? Look at. Don't you like the simplicity? Now, this water drop system, it repains because it is used to test the strength of the market. So once the water like indicator stays, it stops and it does not repent, the second arrow pop up, making it a double confirmation. Then you can trade. It's as simple as that. It works on both 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes time frame. But I love using it so much on 5 minutes time frame. 1 minute for this system is too fast. 15 minutes, well, I don't like it because anything could happen along the line. But for 5 minutes is precise. So I use it on 5 minutes. But I added a filter to mine. I added a filter to mine, but I will simply just leave it for you guys the way it is like this. Okay? And if you don't, because I wouldn't want to confuse you or confuse you more. So let me quickly show you how to install. For those people who are new and they don't know how to install MT4, I want to quickly show you how to install MT4. I'm giving it to you for free to let you know that it's not all about money. I'm giving it to you simply because you are in my group and I will keep giving you valuable things. That doesn't mean you are not going to pay for some of my products whenever it come up. Presently, I'm working on one. This morning, I've taken like 6 consecutive winning trades using the new system. I got this very one free. That's why I'm giving it to you free. Lots of research. I got it free. I'm giving it out free. But the one I'm working on now is not gotten for free. And I didn't buy it. I put it up together and I used it. I've used today 6 trades consecutively won. 1 minute time frame, 5 minute expiration, 5 minutes time frame, 15-minute expiration. That is for my new system I'm using. It's mind blowing. But for this, I'm giving it to you free. So come along with me. Open your broker. Okay. When you open your broker. When you open your broker, go to any MetaTrader 4 broker from Google, download it, then install it. Once you install it, come to the file section, click on file, click on open data folder. Once you click on open data folder, double click on MQL4, then double click on indicators. So once you have done this, all you need to do is to go to the file I gave to you, copy only the indicator. The indicators are the the GIOB, the MA cross signal alert, the MA. Copy the two, the indicator, copy it, go back to this place and right click and paste. I already have it here, so I'm just say okay skip because I already have it. Then do the same thing to the template. Come to the template. Here is the template. Copy it. Come back. Then back to MQL4 here. Then you are back to the menu here. Click on the templates. Then you paste it also. Simple. It's been done. So all you need doing is this now. After you have done that, all you need doing is to come here, close this MT4, close it completely, then reopen it. Once you reopen it, what do? All you need doing is to come to this area, template, come to this area and just click on it. It pops up. Look at it here. I added this filter. Okay. I added this filter. It's like a MACD, but colored, but not a MACD per se. Okay. Just Forex signal 30. I added it as a signal, but I observed that it doesn't work very well with it. So I removed it and I added another filter. That was why my result was so clean. My result was so clean. Look at the trading system here. Double, boom, one. Double, boom, one. It doesn't repaint because this does not repaint. It does not repaint. After you have logged out, log in again, refresh, you will see it remains. It remains. The only thing that repaints here is this water like. But once the water like has already stayed and this another arrow popped up, it does not repaint again. Okay. At times you can remove this water like and trade the arrow by itself. It also works very well. Very well, very well, very well. It's mind blowing. I've given you a very good trading system. Make good use of it and always be on my group. Always, you will find a lot of mind blowing things there. Thanks for staying. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. Don't hesitate. If you have any question, message me directly from Facebook or you use youngshariza@gmail.com. It works on every platform. It works on every platform. Okay? It works on every platform. So I'm going to be making video again another day on how to trade on IQ option profitably. There is difference between you having a good system. Another way is for you to trade profitably with your broker. How do you trade profitably with IQ option? How do you trade profitably with Binary.com? How do you trade profitably with Go Markets? Those are the brokers I'm making use of. Okay, so next video, some other time, very soon, maybe this week, I'm going to be teaching you that. Thanks for watching. Always key in and subscribe to my channel. Join my group. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi will always remember my name. Thank you and God bless you. Money must be made. MMBM for life.